So here we are talking about magic commands in this video. Actually our last conversation before we get into the actual Python language basics. So congratulations for getting this far first of all. But what magic commands are is there any command that's prefixed by a percentage symbol. So here's an example right here, the timeit magic command. In order to use this, we're going to create a new variable with the numpy array in it, and what we've done here is we just said import numpy as np. Now I know we did that up above here already. Yep, import numpy as np. But again, we just started our notebook. So what I did here is let me delete this, hit A, and import numpy as np. Because in the event that you didn't want to search through and find where that was, you just can import it anywhere, right? So now that that's available for us, we run it. Then let's create this variable, and what this is going to do is it's going to iterate through this variable a number of times and tell us how long it takes. So let me run this. Okay. Now that asterisk says that it's still working on it. It takes a second to complete. There we go, and it gives us some stats here. And I'm not going to go into the details of what this all means, but this is just a demonstration of using a magic command. One more useful magic command to us maybe is this run command. What this does, it will run the code in an external Python file. So what I've done over here then, let me go into PyProj, and I created this test.py, and inside it, if I run Visual Studio Code here, this is test.py. We're just doing a simple print command that says hello dog-faced pony soldier. If you've been watching the 2020 presidential campaigns, you might know what this is referencing. But in any case, let's try this. So we use this magic command, and then simply after that we say, okay, run test.py. Hello dog-faced pony soldier. Alright, so that's a very useful magic command. You can run any code that's inside a .py file. Now, if you remember up there, we ran this introspection function in the code above us, right? We can also run that on magic commands. Let's see what the timeit magic command, what kind of information we can dig up about that. Okay, well, here's a lot of information about it. Yeah, it's a time execution of a Python statement or expression. Let's close this down, and then our last magic command we want to look at is this matplotlib inline command, and this is an important one as well, because a lot of times when we try to do a plot in matplotlib, they're going to run fine without this magic command, but some of them won't run fine. So whenever we want to use matplotlib in our notebook, we want to include this magic command. Let me open another command prompt, and again we'll cd into desktop / what do we call it, PyProj. Yeah, so in here we'll want to start our virtual environment. So it was what was it, pyvenv, and then scripts, and then activate, right? Activate.bat. So now we're in there, and we want to pip install matplotlib if you have not done that already. Matplotlib. Okay, so it's installing it for us here. We're done. So we can run this command. Now I don't want you to worry again about this code down here, because all we're doing is creating some random numbers so that we can plot this, and this runs a plot. And all right, that's the matplotlib magic command that makes sure that all of these plots will show up, not just some of them. Now this is a random number. We can prove that by running this again and again, and you see how the numbers change because it's randomly generated with these np functions. Okay, that covers magic commands. It's just a brief look into them. Once again, I'd encourage you to do some more research on them, different ones, but this completes this video.